Good morning, teacher. My name is Jeremias Encalada, and this is my ID card. Today, I am going to do a video recording in order to present the task activity for this weekend. And the task activity is of academic reading and writing 2. And the topic is the parts of journal article. And to talk about the parts of journal article, I'm going to share my screen. So within the journal article, the first part of it we can visualize is the date, and this was updated on November 30, 2021. And also I can show the title of the journal article, which is Virtual Learning Anxiety, a case study of Pedagogical University of Ukraine. And also I can see the names that contributed to develop this journal article. Right after that, we can find the abstract section, which includes all this part. This is the abstract section, and mostly the abstract section is a type of brief summary that contains the whole journal article. And also within the abstract section, we find the aim or the author's aim of the journal article. So in this case, the aim is to report results of the observational study that was focused on the perception of virtual learning in students and teachers. And this is the place where the study is taking in account. And also within the abstract section, we can also find the methods of the research. So in this case, the methods was to analyze specific literature in virtual learning anxiety, and to explore the participants' emotional state when studying and working online. And this was also to find out a list of digital tools, virtual platforms, and messages preferred by students and teachers. And right after the abstract section, we also find the keywords section. And this part is very important because that's the part that indicates in case that someone is looking for a specific investigation or research, so they can guide by looking for these keywords. And right after that, also in this paper research also include the context and implication, and a few more informations about that. And after that, it is included here the introduction of the journal article, or of the purpose, what is going to be talking about. So in this case, the introduction section, it shows all this information, and mainly it talks about the fears of the technological character highlighted to under development of information and communication. And so this is the main part that is going to be discussing about virtual learning and its issues or problems that teachers and students face through this mode of education. So after the introduction section, in this paper research also, it shows the literature review, and right after that we can find also the methods and materials that was used within this journal article development. So in this case, it was used different type of methods, and here I can show you step by step. So also This is the part that talks about what was influenced within the journal article development. And so this was to find out what students and teachers' emotions and attitudes towards the learning in virtual environment. And all this procedure was taken into the method section. And right after the methods, we also find the results and discussion about the research. So this is the section of the results, and also here's the discussion about the issues that was found within this study and analyzed step by step. So here is all the parts that is talking about the issue of virtual education. And within the results, we also find the evidences. So in this case, it was implied a survey, and this survey was applied for students to find out what do they think about the virtual education, and also regarding the surveys, they designed a graphic to show the points of view, the different perspectives of students. So this is it. It shows also with percentages, and there are also few of them. And after that, in this case, we also find the conclusion part, and this is mostly a summary of the whole paperwork. So this is restating the basically main points that was talked within this journal article. So this was it about this part. And right after the conclusion section, we also find the references, and this type of references was from all this gathered information. And this is what I could upload within the research that I founded. And this is it. Thank you very much, teacher.